Now we're on to Chapter 8, Wireless LAN Security Best Practices, what this assignment's about. You do a search online for WLAN Security Best Practices, you'll find lots of information, and I give you a link of one there, which I recommend using. Again, I tell you can search for it on the internet. There's basically 8 best practices, and what I want to know is I want to know a little bit about each one. Okay. And yeah, well, just tell me about each one. Don't just copy it off the internet. Add some words to it. Okay, here's an example. Mobile device management is one of the best practices. Are you doing anything in this area? As for myself, I have my system notify me when a new device connects to my network. Not all routers support this, but do you at least look through your system, look at your monitoring app, maybe with Thing, to see when people connect. The best solution would provide some sort of proof to support your claims. Here's an example. Okay, you will see another best practice is guest networks, how you should be using a guest network to keep people off the main network. I have that availability right here. I have a guest network. Whenever people come over, I enable the guest network. That way they can use it without getting on my main network. Okay, so that's one of the best practices. And here you can see I got proof that I have one available, just not turned on at the moment. Here's another one, notifications. Again, like I said up here, mobile device management is a big deal, okay? I have notifications turned on, so whenever a new device connects to my network, I get a notification, hey, we found somebody new on your network. So, again, that would be one way of talking about these two things, guest networks and mobile device management. I provided proof that I'm doing something about it, and you can give me words telling me what you're actually doing. Now, if you're not doing everything, that's fine, okay? Now, if you watch the course intro recording, I explain this a little bit as well. For instance, physical security, right? That's one of the best practices. If your system's inside your house, I'm assuming it's secured. But what if it isn't, okay? Let's see, one of the other ones, I can't think what the other ones are. Okay, rogue access point detection. For your home, I'm assuming you're not going out there looking at road access points all the time. But you could. I mean, you could always bring up things, see what's available out there. You could also scan for other access points, but you're probably going to find your neighbors. So list the 8 best practices. Tell me a little bit about each one and what you're doing to support. I'm not saying you have to do something for each one, okay? But if you are, let me know about it. If you're not, tell me you're not. That's it.